Hello, in this video I shall be discussing the location of South Korea. South Korea is in East Asia and this is a part of Korean Peninsula. Korean Peninsula contains North Korea and South Korea, two countries, and South Korea we are discussing now. And this Korean Peninsula used to be ruled by a dynasty called Koryo dynasty. So that was called Koryo Kingdom. So this dynasty ruled this Korean peninsula, which contained, it was not divided into north and south then, it used to be a single kingdom, that is Koryo Kingdom. So Koryo dynasty ruled from around 10th century AD to 14th century AD. So that is the history of it. So the name Korea is derived from this dynasty of Koryo dynasty. The capital of Korea, South Korea, is Seoul, and the currency of it is won. And Korea used to be a part of Japanese colony. So Korea, both Korean Peninsula, which contains South and North Korea, both of them used to be a part of Japanese colony from 1910. And in World War II, as USSR has taken up the North Korea, they have held their troops in North Korea and they have taken it over, and the US has taken over the South Korea. So that is how both North and South are divided in between USSR and USA under the headship of USSR and USA. So from then this division has come out as North Korea and South Korea. So in 1950 there started a Korean War, as these USSR troops that took hold of North Korea were coming and trying to invade the South Korea. So as a resistance to that invasion of USSR troops coming over into South Korea to invade them, this Korean War has started in 1950, and there is a prominent thing about this war, that is this war has never officially ended. It is still going on as a Cold War, or in whatever way you say. It is not never officially ended. So after this war there is this demilitarized zone that came up between South Korea and North Korea. This is a 4-kilometer zone that acts as a dividing line between the two Koreas. And to see the bordering countries or things around South Korea, South Korea has got North Korea on its north and East Sea on its east. East Sea is also called Sea of Japan, and Yellow Sea on its west. Korea Strait is present in between Japan and South Korea. This Korea Strait and Japan, both of them are on the southeastern side of South Korea. So we shall locate all of this. And to say some international related things about South Korea, it is a part of APEC, Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation. This APEC grouping has started in 1989. So as the name says, this is about this economic cooperation between countries of Asia and Pacific. And it is also a part of APTA. The full form of it is Asia Pacific Trade Agreement. Asia Pacific Trade Agreement is an initiative taken up by United Nations Economic, Social Commission for Asia and Pacific. So this UNESCAP has brought up this APTA initiative, and South Korea is part of this APTA. Under this there will be some trade tariff concessions in between these countries which are part of APTA. And next there is a martial art that has originated in South Korea, that is Taekwondo. This is a martial art of self-defense. So it took its origins, or it started in Korea, South Korea. So Taekwondo is its name. So this is some brief fact view about South Korea. Now we shall go into mapping the location in a rough way about South Korea. To give an outline to South Korea, it would somewhat look like this. So this is South Korea. And now we shall go with mapping the border countries. The only land border that South Korea has got with other country is North Korea. So North Korea is present on the north of South Korea. And now we shall go with mapping the seas around it. So it has got East Sea on its east. So East Sea is also called Sea of Japan, and Yellow Sea on its west. So Yellow Sea is present here, and here over this part it is all China present. So this is all China. So South Korea has got no border with China, but Yellow Sea is present in between South Korea and China. So this is the location of Yellow Sea, and to the southeastern side of South Korea there is this country called Japan. So this is a huge chunk of islands present over here. So all of this is Japan, that is present on the southeast of South Korea. And here is the strait, Korea Strait, that is present in between Japan and South Korea. This is this Korea Strait between Japan and South Korea, that you can say as southeastern side of South Korea. So this is Korea Strait. So Korea Strait and Japan are present on the southeastern side of South Korea. East Sea or Sea of Japan is present on the east side of South Korea, Yellow Sea on the west side of South Korea, and North Korea on the north of South Korea. So these are the bordering things around South Korea. And here you can see this delimitation, demilitarized line that limits the borders of North Korea and South Korea. So this is a 4-kilometer demilitarized zone that is present in between the two countries. And this would account to, in latitudinal way, nearly 38-degree parallel. So in a rough way you can say that 38-degree parallel passes through this part. So this is some brief fact about South Korea and a rough mapping of things around it. And thank you.